What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break Now. We're trying to get started with our 4-box mini break here tonight, but we're not having any luck. So we're going to keep trying, but in the meantime, we're going to run our teams, get you guys something to do. We're live. Good luck. 4 times under random, as always, 11:03 on the clock. Anaheim to Winnipeg. And Ian to Mini Ravioli. Good luck. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp on 3. Timestamp on 3 is at 11:03. 11:03 it is. Last and final random. Last and final there, 11:03. And 11:03, Arizona. Top spot, Tampa Bay. Halfway. Oops. And then LA to Pittsburgh. Alright, here's teams. Now we got to figure out the names to match them up with. It is 11:04. Ian the Mini Ravioli. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3 is at 11:04. 11:04, last and final will do it.
This is more than just a team. This is art.
Fourth and final timestamp is at 11:04. And 11:04 it is. Besser, top spot. Haley, the halfway mark.
This is our celebration.
And Steven to Drew. Alright, here's teams, guys. We will post them in a group for you, and we will see you hopefully later for a break, and if not later, tomorrow afternoon. Thanks again for your patience, and we'll see you soon, hopefully.